Next, let's go ahead and do the bump test. So you bring it down to bump test. What this allows you to do is to test a certain part of the valve stroke. Instead of going from 4 to 20, it's going to do a percentage of what you want to do. So we're going to go ahead and, for example, set our starting point to, let's say 80% and have the ending, let's bring that up to 40. So it's only going to record that part of the stroke of the valve. When you have everything dialed in, just go ahead and press the up arrow and you're ready to go. Okay, once the test is complete, again, you can save, clear memory or discard. We'll go ahead and save that result. And now we can upload that data to ValveTrack software.